Welcome to the SUJOG platform. Pre-approved plan is a service where you can get your building's permit approved without the help of an architect. That means you don't need the help of an architect to get your building permits approved within 72 hours. For that, I'll show you the method to do it. For that, you need to first register into the SUJOG platform. Then, once you have registered, you need to log in into the SUJOG platform. I'll just go ahead and log in into it. Once you have logged in, you will see this home screen. Here, under building plan approval, if you click, you will find multiple options and one of them is apply for a pre-approved plan. Here, you can first check if you are eligible to get a pre-approved plan. For that, you need to download the building standards. Once you have downloaded the building standards, you have to check a few things and go through the plot sizes available. If you go below it, there are multiple plot sizes that are available and you can check if your plot matches one of them. After that, you have to check a few points to identify if your plot is eligible for pre-approved plan. That is, it has to be a residential plot with less than 500 square meters of plot area allotted by government, or the layout of the plot should be approved by the government authority. The building has to be of less than 10 meters in height. The land use has to be residential, and NOCs mentioned over here should not be applicable. Once you have gone through all of these details, you can go back and fill out this section to understand if to find many of the options available for pre-approved plans. Here I'll go ahead, and the option is whether the plot is approved by town planning scheme and government scheme. It has to be yes. Land status has to be vacant. The project component has to be residential, and you can go ahead and put your length and width of the plot. Once I have put all the details, I'll search for the approved plans. Once you see all the options available for the given plot size, you can select each and every one of them and see what will be the design of the house and what will be the estimated amount for approval. Like here, I will go ahead and click on this particular design. It will load and you can see if the design is up to your standards and if you want to continue with this design. If not, you can select any other design and go ahead. If yes, then you can select this, and below the details about the sanction fee, the construction worker welfare cess fee, and the other fees applicable will be shown over here. Here you can go ahead and download the plan image and the plan in a PDF format as well. Once satisfied, you can go ahead and submit it. Once submitted, you will come to the basic details of the application creation page where you have to provide details such as the moja and other details such as street name, building colony name, pin code, and everything. After that, you have to provide the details of the plot. Like plot area, khata number, the kisam of the land, landowner details, and any other thing if applicable. Once you have filled out all these details, you can go ahead to create the application. Here, you can go ahead and read all the documents required very precisely and carefully and submit all the required documents. Once all the documents are there, you can go ahead and go to next. Once you have taken a look at all the details you have provided, such as the land details, the plot details, the applicant name and everything, you can go ahead and submit the application. Once the application is submitted and you're sure that you want to go ahead with this application, you have to make the payment for this application. For that, select the payment gateway and click on Make Payment. Here, you have to put all the details for the payment. Once the payment has been successfully done, the application will go ahead to the approver's end and you can get your building permit letter signed within 72 hours.